Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. It's been a little while, but we're here with our latest rental van. Can't wait to show you guys. Stick around to the end of the video. We've got a little present for those that do. So come on in and take a look. Welcome to the official van tour of our latest rental Sangria. This is a high roof 3500 Ram Promaster on the 159 wheelbase. We really love the deep cherry red exterior. This rental, along with the rest of our rentals, are built out with the same features and amenities as all of our client builds. And as someone who has rented a lot of vans over the course of the past 3 years, we can assure that our rentals will match up against most, if not all, other camper vans on the market. And if you are thinking about getting into van life, we can't recommend enough renting one first before jumping right in. I'll leave a link in our outdoorsy listings in the description below. We provide a fully equipped van decked out with 2 stocked spice racks to help liven up a meal and a couple rolls of paper towel just in case of spills. There's also a backsplash to give some true separation from the kitchen and the bedroom. A nice stainless deep sink with a pull-down faucet we have found is the best for van life. It really makes doing dishes much easier while on the road. One big area we will stand out from many other vans is this hot water heater that runs to the kitchen sink but also the outdoor shower. We also have a no dirty water filter which provides drinking water, and then there's space for 2 propane tanks for your gas cooktop. You will have a really well-stocked utensil drawer full of silverware, cutlery, cooking utensils, tongs, a lighter, and of course a wine opener. Sangria has an Isotherm Cruise 85 fridge, which is about 3 cubic feet. This provides plenty of space for a good week's worth of food and drinks. The 2-burner gas stove is thoughtfully located by the sliding door, and with the 2 burners allows you the feeling of being home just on the road. One big thing missing in most rentals is storage. We have lots of it. We provide lots of plates, bowls, cups, and mugs, and also a coffee maker. And below the couch is even more storage that we will have your pots and pans, cutting boards, colanders, measuring cups, and even some Tupperware for storage. You'll have close to a 6-foot couch to relax on, a nice big slider window with blackout shades, and of course a lagoon table so you can eat a meal at or just use as another counter. Both of the front seats swivel, which really opens up the space in the van. Also, with the flip-up kitchen extension, you'll now have a second table or desk-like area to sit at. There's a Webasto heater for those cooler, chilly mornings and nights. The inverter control panel is easily accessible. There's a second zone of lights for the bedroom. additional USB outlets, and some standard 110 volt outlets. As with all of our builds, Sangria has 2 max air fans that really help regulate the interior temperature of the van. You'll get a great night's sleep on the 6-inch memory foam short queen mattress. Our custom-built cubby on the back side of the bed offers some additional storage and 2 extra USBs for phone charging. Two reading lights with multiple settings are also in the bedroom. Two large bedroom cabinets will have extra blankets and plenty of room to unpack your suitcase. A huge garage gives plenty of room to store all of your things, and we provide 2 camping chairs and a bamboo shower stand. Sangria is equipped with a shore power outlet for when you're staying at a campground. And also the garage has a 3rd set of lights to help you see everything in the back area. In the garage is your 12-volt fuse box and also your huge 3,000-watt Ames inverter. A 3-way switch shines light on the battery-to-battery charger, cell booster, and 305 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries. Your heated outdoor shower runs right off the 32-gallon freshwater tank. And if you're anything like us, there's really nothing like a little showering in nature. On the roof, along with your max air fans, are 2 180-watt solar panels. And Sangria has upgraded all-terrain tires to help you on your adventures. Thank you guys so much for making it all the way through the end. For those that did, here's your present. We got a little discount for you for a rental. We'd be happy to help you out in any kind of way, answer any questions. We also do builds as well, so something like this we do for clients. We'd love to work with anybody out there, and we work with people from all over the country. Make sure you give us a like for the video, and also make sure you're subscribed so you can see all the future content that comes up. Thank you guys again, and we'll catch you on the next one.